Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to this month's show in April. We've been doing a lot of building. We've got nice inbox reviews and all sorts of stuff to show you, but let's get started with this month's competition for April. We're going to be giving away, yes, you've probably guessed it, it is Airfix's 148 scale Jaguar GR1 148 scale. As I say, we're having a bit of a Jaguar month because, you know, we've also done an inbox review of this as well if you want to go check it out. Now, if you want to be in it to win it, all you've ever got to do to be in Genesis Models monthly competition is go to Genesis Models website and get yourself an account. It can be the free account if you so wish and you get your name thrown in the hat once. But if you are a supporting, subscribing member, say a fighter pilot, you get your name put in the hat 5 times. And if you're a fighter ace, you get your name put in the hat 10 times. So all you got to do is, as I say, go get yourself an account to be in it to win it. And then next month, in the next show, we'll announce the competition winner for Airfix's 148 scale Jaguar GR1. And a quick one as well about the Jaguar GR1 by Airfix. Just want to say I did do that inbox review, but this kit is amazing. I am doing it as a rapid video build. I'm actually building it right now, and it's a big breath of fresh air for Airfix. I mean, Airfix, it's almost as if Airfix just went from being Airfix to being Edard, Tamiya, Takom and all these kind of really good manufacturers out there. Really kind of strange how it's had this jump. Everything about it's amazing. And when I did that inbox review, I hadn't built it, so I guess I wasn't as sort of enthusiastic as I am now about it, because now I've actually built it. I'll show you in a bit more closer detail in a bit, but I've built it and it's gone together like a glove. It's like building an Edard, Tamiya, Hasegawa kind of kit. Really no major issues, and it's such a complex shape. You would have thought there would have been fit issues, but there wasn't. So I just wanted to throw that out there. If you've been thinking about getting this kit and you've been worried maybe it's a bit Airfix, it's amazing, basically, is what I'm saying. So let's get on with a couple of builds that I've already finished, and we'll have a quicker, closer look at Jaguar. First up, we have Tamiya's 148 scale Skyraider. Now this kit, we've just put up episode 1 in rapid video build format. Next week, I do believe the final episode, episode 2, will go up so you can see all this in its complete finish. Now this is an old kit by Tamiya. I think it was like 1996 or something when it was done, so very old, but as you can see, the surface detail is all still really good on this model. The fit with this, I do believe it was actually rather good. I didn't really have any major problems in the engine cowl area just here. You do have the option to have these fins open on the engine cowl, but when you have that open, it just looks right in there, and it's probably, you know, you probably want to do a lot of scratch building of engines and stuff to have detail in there, because it kind of shows a little bit too much. So it is best to have it closed unless you go to all that work. The front engine section, there's quite a lot of nice detail in there, as you can see, which is pretty good for the age of the kit. I mean, it's still good and going today. The cockpit, you know what, the detail was pretty good in there as well. Hopefully you can sort of, let's maybe remove the canopy for a second. You can sort of see the detail in there. I do believe it was just decals. The pilot, however, I mean, he was all right, but that head, that helmet, it just kind of just seems like there's no detail on it. It's more of like just a blob, and not seeing that detail, hopefully you can sort of see, is maybe not the best, but I wanted a pilot in there anyway. The canopies are nice and crystal clear with this as well, so it is a good build and a good watch. What else can I say about it? Yes, this build you know, we in the rapid video build, we do go on a little bit about white is one of those kind of colors, so we kind of show you the whole white, because when you kind of do bleach and you can't bleach white with white, so there's that to go through, and a bit of nice masking as well, just to you know, get the top side where it's white on ailerons and stuff like that. But an all-round pretty good build. Decals was a little bit tricky, but other than that, as I say, definitely well recommended kit if you want to go get one, and also a well recommended watch. And do look out for that second part next week. Now, after our Skyraider here, I'm actually in the process of building the Jaguar A, what was it, the GR1, which I'll just grab over here. Now the GR1, as I say, that will come after our Skyraider. It's gonna be, I do believe, a two-parter as well. All right, nice rapid video build. As you can see, we are all nicely built as well. The build side of it, as I say, the shape of this is quite complex, and it's hard for any manufacturer to get something fitting rather well, but they've really done it. I was really concerned because the actual top part of the wing section would come on top of the fuselage, and it was joined here across there and here like so, and then I do believe it was joined across there. Absolutely perfect and seamless, no problems, no issue here. Here maybe needed a tiny bit of filler, but was not actually a big deal. Even the air intakes, they fit rather well. I mean, there was a bit of filler on that sort of square panel line just there, square box just there, but that was it. It was fit so well all round. I can't really fault any issues about this. I mean, we have all our flaps and ailerons in positionable, posable pieces, so that is cool to look at as well. Oh, the landing gear inside our wheel wells, I mean, the detail in there is just absolutely gorgeous as well. So we've got some washes and whatnot. Well, I used a filter for this one, a little bit more work on it. As you can see, I'm in the spray stage. I'll be starting deckling, I do believe, Monday, and hopefully sort of, you know, we'll have that as a nice episode 1, probably 2 weeks after episode 2 of Skyraider goes up. So hopefully you're going to be in it to watch this one. In the weathering stage, you know, we've got some natural metal finishes to show on the back here, but yeah, a nice bit of weathering on these as well. So that is the Jaguar. After what I do after this, I don't know. Maybe some suggestions, please comment down below. So there's 2 builds for you to get your teeth into. Also, the store, we're having a bit of a clear out as well. I want to make some space, so we're putting some major sort of discounts out there. As always, you get the 20 and the 30% off if you're, say, a fighter pilot or fighter A subscription. We do the normal 10% off kits as well, but we're doing a site-wide for everybody 25% off. All you got to do is use code SITE25 and you get that off. That does also include those other discounts, so you can get up to 3 discounts of up to 30% off if you're a fighter ace, 25% off for everyone, and if you get a kit, another 10% off as well. So some major bargains. I don't know how long it's going to be going for. I just want to create some space, so get yourself a bargain there. Check out Genessis Models store, and as I say, we've got those builds going on. Please do also check out Genessis Models website and register as well and help support Genessis Models. Other than that, I will see you next month, where we'll announce our competition, and we'll probably have the Jaguar nicely finished, and we'll have a look at what we're going to be building next as well. So as always, until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.